Oh, interesting. This is a very bright light off here, so I could see the siren is modified now. It does still make a noise. Makes then, whoa. I saw it lit up. That's the test and everything. So it's just a barely long enough cable so that I can still steer it. And I can check it out right now. Oh. It's just tied on there with pieces of copper wires. So then I just saw that the bracket that holds it in there, this fell from off of the top. It was only put in there, jammed in somehow. As long as I don't set it upside down, maybe that won't happen. Hey. This lines up, and it should go back in. There. This is the lights socket, the lamp holder for MR16, the charc light bulbs. I just barely got it back together, but that will fall apart on the road. That looks like it's still facing forward to me. Yes, I like this. This is my machine. Because this generator is pressing pretty firmly directly out to that tire there. It is a spring-loaded mechanism now. Again. That's so cool. So the friction here, you see now that it stores up the potential energy. And then it seems like I fixed it up. I got the switch connected how I like it. Just one switch now. And I can manipulate a headlight or a siren. Either one, just one of these. That's cool. Thank you for watching. I'm Moist Andy, and this is my siren. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye, YouTube.